equals your Silvercrest SKMC 1200 won't turn on. We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. The issue usually arises from a faulty power board or a damaged connection inside. We can identify the issue and replace any broken components to get your device working again. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.